The treatment of hydrosalinx will depend on the cause of the hydrosalinx. If there is still infection present, your doctor will prescribe antibiotics. Doxycycline is one of the most frequently prescribed antibiotics for a hydrosalinx. If after antibiotic treatment the hydrosalinx is not resolved, the doctor may then resort to a surgical technique in order to remove the part of the fallopian tube which is swollen. One of these is a salpingectomy, in whereby the section of the fallopian tube is surgically removed. An alternative to this is a tubal occlusion, whereby the surgeon uses a special device to block the tube off. The aim of these surgical interventions is to prevent the liquid in the hydrosalinx from reaching the uterus, as this can affect the chances of embryo implantation in any assisted reproduction techniques.